The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that HAL will soon form a joint venture between DRDO and a private sector company, and HAL will provide the Nashik Su-30 production facility to the private sector partner for manufacturing the AMCA, so that the total capital investment is reduced for the private partners, which is currently estimated to be more than 2,500 crore rupees. Only the initial prototypes might be manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics to reduce the cost, and HAL will keep its share below 50%, so that the joint venture becomes a private entity, which means that the private sector will have the controlling stake in the joint venture with mass production of these next-generation fighter jets. It is to be noted that only a handful of Indian private sector companies have the capacity to invest 2,500 crore rupees into this venture, and as there is a defined and assured order book for the AMCA from the Indian Air Force, as well as the business opportunity of maintaining the 5.5 generation fighters for over 3 decades, due to which this plan has generated huge interest in major private sector companies that have ventured into the defense sector. The DRDO has started conducting trial of the upgraded T-72 Mark II main battle tank, which comes equipped with a host of improvements and upgrade, including a 1,000 horsepower indigenously produced multi-fuel engine from the previous 780 horsepower capacity engine. It also features the DRDO-developed explosive reactive armor Mark II, which has the same configuration and performance as that of the reactive armor of the T-90. The DRDO has also equipped the T-72 Mark II with Israeli thermal imager fire control systems, which has increased its capability to identify targets to 3 kilometers in night conditions from the previous 300 meters. After the trial is successful, 969 T-72 tanks out of the total 1,700 tanks will be upgraded to Mark II configuration, and the rest will be phased out and replaced with the future-ready combat vehicles. After the Ministry of Defense has decided to cancel the deal for 93,895 816 carbines with the UAE-based company Caracal, the Rifle Factory Ashapur under the Ordnance Factory Board has decided to jump in the competition to deliver new carbines to the Indian Army. The Rifle Factory Ashapur has said that it has developed an advanced 5.56mm by 45mm carbine that is currently undergoing evaluation. The Ordnance Factory has said that it has unmatched facilities for development and manufacturing of these carbines, so there is no question of seeking help from the private sector for production. The Pentagon has approved India's request to buy $90 million worth of equipment, which includes spare parts and logistical support for its fleet of C130J Super Hercules cargo aircraft, which will enable the Indian Air Force to sustain a higher mission-ready status. The items ordered are spares and repair parts, ground support and equipment, cartridge-actuated devices, propellant-actuated devices, flare cartridges and a number of other items. India has also ordered one advanced radar warning receiver, countermeasures dispenser system, 10 units of lightweight night vision binoculars, 10 night vision goggles and few EW systems. The Indian Air Force currently operates a fleet of 5 C130J and has also placed an order for additional 6 aircraft. A US Navy P-8 anti-submarine aircraft landed at the strategically located Andaman Island in the Indian Ocean, and officials have said that the aircraft had landed for refueling, that is allowed under the LEMOA agreement signed between the US and India in 2016. Experts have said that the landing of a US Navy P-8 anti-submarine aircraft could also be a message to the Chinese Navy and its submarines in the Indian Ocean.
Omar dropped it.